The model wars are over, but the real war just started. It's Monday, December 1st. While everyone was arguing about Gemini 3, three massive stories broke in the last 24 hours that prove AI is no longer just code, it's physical. First, the bombshell. Reports from November 30th confirm that Turkey's unmanned fighter, Kizilelma, has executed a radar-guided air-to-air kill. Defense analysts are calling this the Kitty Hawk moment for autonomous combat. The question isn't if AI can fight anymore, it's who is controlling the algorithm. This changes modern warfare overnight. Now, to something incredible trending on X right now. Meet Aditya Kumar, a 17-year-old from Uttar Pradesh. While tech giants spend billions, he just unveiled Sophie, a fully functional AI robot teacher he built himself. The video of Sophie teaching a class has hit 50 million views since yesterday. It's a reminder. The next big breakthrough might not come from Silicon Valley, but from a garage in India. But there's a dark side. A massive report dropped this morning detailing a 400% surge in AI-driven identity fraud, specifically targeting financial sectors in Africa and emerging markets. Deepfake KYC attacks are bypassing bank security faster than patches can be released. If you're using biometric login, you might want to enable a backup key today. A weapon of war and a tool for education, both launched in the same 24 hours. Which side of history are we on? I'm your name, and that was your December 1st briefing.